So in this question, we'll try to write 0.05 in its fractional form. So the way I do it is write 0.05 as a numerator and 1 as a denominator. Now, as we know, multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number results in an equal fraction. So let's multiply both by 10. This gives us 0.5 by 10. Once again, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 to give us 5 by 100. Now to write in its lowest form, we need to take the HCF of 5 and 100. Now, since 5 is a factor of 100, the HCF of these two numbers is also 5. So 5 by 100 can be rewritten as 5 divided by 5 divided by 100 divided by 5. So this is 1 and this is 20. So this fraction 5 by 100 in its lowest form is 1 by 20. So 0.05 as a fraction in its lowest form can be written as 1 by 20. So moving on to the next question, we can write 4.25 as 4.25 by 1. Multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 100, we get 425 by 100. So now we need to reduce it to its lowest form, which we do by taking the HCF of 425 and 100. So 425 ends with 5 and 100 ends with 0. So 5 is a common factor of both of them. 85 into 5 gives us 425, while 20 into 5 gives us 100. Again, 85 ends with 5 and 20 ends with 0, so both are once again divisible by 5. 17 times 5 gives us 85, while 4 times 5 gives us 20. 17 and 4 do not share any more common prime factors, so the HCF of 425 and 100 is 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So 425 by 100 can be rewritten as 425 by 25, and the whole thing divided by 100 by 25. So 25 goes in 100 4 times, while 25 goes in 425 17 times. Let's just divide it out. 25 goes in 42 once, get a remainder of 17, bring down the 5, we get 175. 25 goes in 175 7 times, with a remainder of 0. So there we have it. 4.25 can be written as 17 by 4. Now moving on to the next question, write 0.215 as a fraction in its lowest form. So we can write 0.215 as 0.215 by 1, multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 1000. The fraction is equivalent and is equal to 215 by 1000. Now to write it in its lowest form, we need to get the HCF of 215 and 1000 and divide both the numerator and denominator by the HCF. So 215 ends with 5, while 1000 ends with 0. So they share 5 as a common prime factor. Now 43 into 5 gives us 215, while 200 into 5 gives us 1000. Now 43 is a prime number, so 43 and 200 do not share any common prime factors. So the HCF of 215 and 1000 is 5. Now we can rewrite 215 by 1000 as 215 by 5, and the whole thing divided by 1000 by 5, which is 43 by 200. So that's it. 0.215 can be written as 43 by 200, which is its lowest form.